Today I'm going to show you how to turn this image into this without using any plugins. Like, you don't have to use any plugins to do this. Like when I mean any external plugins. So I'm just going to walk you through the process. It's very easy, it's simple and easy. So you are just going to be able to do this in less than maybe 2-3 minutes. You are done and you are achieving this, which is very amazing. So I'll just go straight to it. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Azan Abiola. Like I said earlier, we are going to be creating this using our inbuilt filter in Photoshop. So, and that inbuilt filter is camera raw. So I'm just going to open this thing for you so you guys can see the values I use and all that, so you can replicate yours. So this is it. I'm double clicking on the camera raw. Okay, let it load. This is going to be a very quick video, a quick one, so we are not going to. So these are the settings we adjusted. We dragged our contrast to the back a little bit, drag our highlights and what have you. Then we remove our color. We don't want saturation, we don't want color. This is how it will look normally. So if you want it to color, you can leave it like this, but if you don't want to up the color, the saturation, the clarity should be 100 depending on your image quality. So the texture was 60, you don't want it to be too much. So, but if you do it like this, you are going to have something like this. So we'll leave it at 60, which for us, this makes a little bit more sense. I guess that's okay. We adjusted our curve a little bit. These are just little adjustment, but the basic thing here is what is it called? It's right here on the basics. Your highlights, your contrast, and your white. You add a little bit of white and your black also to bring out the HDR kind of effect at the long run. So that's basically how we achieve this, and it's something you can do. You don't need to use make collections or what is it called, Topaz Labs or what have you. Like with your camera raw, you can actually achieve this in no time. In less than 2 minutes, you can do this, which makes it even more better. And I feel this one is, you are doing it manually. You are not allowing any collection to do it for you. You are doing it, you are adjusting everything you want, and you are getting the perfect look at the long run. So this is how I did this, and it looks perfect. Sorry, I just want to exit. So then we created the colored and black and white effect, like make some place black and make the body black and white and the other aspects colored. So that's how we have those layers in it. So basically this is how we achieve this. So you can also do it before and after. So if you love this video, please hit on the like button. Do it, subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time. Peace out.